Hello there. Today, I will be showing you how to integrate Zapier with MagicForm to streamline your processes. This is an example of a conversation labeled by MagicForm as a lead. Zapier can transform this conversation by using an automation to streamline follow-ups or notifications to your team. I'm going to be showing you how to do that today. First, you will go to the Customize tab with Automations and make sure Trigger Zapier is selected. Then you will go to the Launch tab, select Zapier, and click Get Access. Once you're here, make sure to accept the invite. And now we're going to create a new Zap. Here you're going to want to click on the Trigger event. You will search for MagicForm. And once you're here, you're just going to want to set up with the trigger event being the new lead. Here, you're going to want to test it. After testing it, we're going to head over to the action that Zapier will cause after the trigger event has occurred. For now, we're just going to select email. In order to send up a follow-up email, you will make sure to select Send Email. Now, you're going to structure that email. You can do it however you'd like, but with the plus button here, you can make sure to select the email from the new lead. Obviously, you can CC anyone you like. You can make sure that it will be known who it is from. The subject line can be something like "Still interested." And in the body, you can just simply follow up using their name or different elements from the transcript. And then you're going to want to test it here. Now, once this has all been generated, when someone goes through your conversation and is labeled as a new lead, an email will be sent to the potential customer. Here's an example of what this email may look like. Your business, automated smarter.